Odhi nyime nyakwaro Ramogi koro donje mago mag ohala. Bad migawo mochung'ne choko osuru KRA koro wacho ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla kod bede migepe maket koda mago mawuok e pinje malibamba kaachiel kod riwruoge maok mag piny owacho e siro chenro mag choko osuru ma pacho ka. KRA nobago romo mar ndalo ariyo madhi twak ewi chenro mag tiyo kanyakla kod riwruoge mawuok e pinje mamoko mondo geng' lal mar osuru ahinya to mabiro kod ohala matimore tong' mar Kenya kod pinje malibamba. KRA geto choko mar osuru ma ok tin e siling trilion 3 mondo mi Kenya onyal siro bajet mar siling trilion 3.6 ma ichano som e dweni.
Space globally are increasing at increasing speeds, and they are also becoming a lot more complex. Conversations that touch on the economics of tax, but also on the morality of tax systems and processes must therefore be stepped up. And back in KRA, we are having these conversations, not just on how to raise more money, but also on how to participate in baking the cake. This will help tax administrations like Kenya Revenue Authority and others to not only increase their revenue, but to increase their revenue in a sustainable manner.
One of the things that we are grateful for is the importance of collaboration between different stakeholders, especially in the tax landscape. So this conference is evidence of that collaboration. It's important to bring different stakeholders as well as the Committee of Fiscal Studies. It's important to bring the different stakeholders together because, as we all know, the tax landscape is now very wide and the synergies that this convergence brings together helps in bridging the information gap, but also bringing different perspectives in not only tax policy research, but also different perspectives to tax administration on key tax issues that the world is grappling with.